So in this video, we will talk about git squash merge. So these are the logs from my previous git log command. So there are quite a few number of logs. To come out of it, you have to press Q and you are out of it, right? So I'll clear the screen and I will check the status. So I'm currently on branch master and I have file A, file B, and file C, right? So again, I have depicted the same in the diagram. So this is the current state of our files. And on the master branch, I will change file A to version 4.04 and file B to version 0.5 master. So I made these changes now. So what I will do is I will make again changes to file A and file B and again commit it. So now we are currently in here. So now I will create a new branch. I will call it new feature one, right? And I will check out from this branch. So basically, when I check out from this branch, I should have this as the state of the files in this new feature branch, new feature one branch. So let me do that now. So I'm in new feature one branch now. So version 0.5 master, version 0.6 master. So this is exactly the same I showed here, right? And now what I will do is for file A, I will add new content. And for file B also, I will add new content. So what I will do is master, I will make it new content. I will save it. So actually I made those changes. That's why you are seeing them red, but I haven't added them yet. So I have new content here too. So now what I will do is I will add and commit. So I will do git add and I will do git commit. Right? And then I will add more new content here. That's how we have for file A and file B. So in the diagram I showed earlier. So if I go back to the diagram, so we made this change and now I'm making this change. So more new content for file A and file B, right? So file B has more new content and file A has more new content. I will add both of them and commit. So now we have all the changes in here, right? Now what I will do is I'll switch to master and change file A only first. So our master branch will be still having file A 0, version 0.5 master, which is nothing but this guy, and file B will have version 0.6 master. So what I will do is I will just update file A currently. And I will just add and commit file A. And then I will make change to file B. So now my master is here and obviously new feature one was here. I want to merge the changes. But we already saw a three-way merge in the previous video, but this crash merge won't retain the history. That is the only difference. And I mean, when you actually merge new feature into this, you won't see the history of this and this. You'll only see the merging one. And that is the only benefit of this crash merge because sometimes you don't want to see the whole history of commits in the feature branch. So let's see that now. So what I will do now is on my master branch. So I will just confirm that I'm on master. Yeah, and then I will do git merge squash. This is the keyword here. Squash new feature one. And there are still conflicts, so I'll quickly resolve them. So file A, I will this time keep just the head version for both the files. And for file B2, I will just keep the head version. You could have kept the new feature one too. It's up to you, but I'm just keeping for the sake of simplicity. That's all. And I will add them. So now if I run git log command, you can see the head is pointing to the master and the latest commit is the resolved conflicts one. So in the diagram, it is this one we are talking about here, right? And then we have 07 master, which is this commit, and then we have this one, and then we will have this commit here. So version 05 master, file A version 05, and file B version 06 master, right? So all these things are there, but all the logs which we had in here are not reflected in the master branch once it's merged. So that's the whole point of squash merge. So if I check out to new feature again, and if I do git log in here, you can see that we had new content for file A, more content for file A and B, but we don't see these changes or these logs in here, you know, and that's the whole point of squash merge. So just to summarize, all the changes we made will definitely be there after the merge. That's obvious. But the commit history of the feature branch won't be retained once it's actually merged into the master branch.